After a 3-hour bus ride, I have arrived to Aguascalientes, and one of the first things I noticed is that all of the street names, at least in the area that I am, are named after countries. I just passed Calle Medellin, and I'm looking for, I guess, Calle Belize. After my bus ride, I was feeling a little bit tired, so I decided to go to sleep. Good morning, everybody. It's time to shower. I don't want to speak too soon, but I really like this place so far. There's nothing that I can really compare it to in Mexico. It's very odd. Yeah, it's Mexico, but there's something about it that feels a lot different. I'm here at the Jardín de San Marcos, and I just want to show you all of this bird stuff here. I almost stepped up here so I could get a good view of the park over here. And look, even up here on the trees. Let me zoom in for you. I know this is irrelevant, but look at the Metro News of the UK. Man uses dead pigeon as weapon during street fight. Okay, so I think this park was pretty much established in 1842. Apart from the bird stuff I just showed you, it's really cool. It's almost like a maze. Nice place to hang out with your friends and drink some coffee, I guess. It's about 77 degrees right now, but I think I'm going to get burnt. The sun is a little bit different here, but I like it. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You guys think I should go here? It says it's the best coffee here in Aguascalientes. Well, too late because I just got one. I'll try it. Should you go here or not? That's the question. I don't know. We'll talk about it later. All right, guys. So I have discovered the main town square, I do believe. The cathedral there. You got the Aguascalientes sign directly straight ahead, which I'll probably go take a photo of. And apart from that, you got these tourist, what are these called? Just buses, right? Trolleys, that's the word. But we'll see what we can find. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is the eagle on the Mexican flag. Aguascalientes is one of my favorite places in Mexico. It's super clean, classical, but very modern too. For some odd reason, it reminds me of West Texas. I don't know if I'll get a photo because nobody's here with me, but I'll walk by here. Yeah, this is my photo, I guess. All right, let's keep walking till we reach the end. And we made it, so there it is. If you stand by the sign long enough, somebody will walk up wanting you to take their photo. And as a favor, they'll take yours too. They accept Bitcoin here. ¿Sí tiene ayahuasca? Sí. ¿Qué precio tiene? You guys saw that poster of the ayahuasca. I thought that was really interesting. I had no idea that it was legal here. So I got some information just in case you guys want to, I don't know, do it. It costs 1,500, which is like $75. It's one day. They take you to a place called El Sabinal. I'll put it on the map right now. It's a little place in the jungle. And apparently a shaman comes. There's like maybe 10 to 15 people that accompany you. Again, you can contact the WhatsApp on that poster because that's the individual that runs it. She was very nice about it. I'm not gonna do it, but I thought it was really interesting. If you want to come down here, again, it's $75. Yeah, interesting, right? If you guys want some late night snacks, I recommend this pharmacy because they're open 24 hours and they practically have everything except for food. It's pretty dark, but I don't know if you can see this architecture here. This is very American. I don't think it's made of wood. It looks like it's made of concrete and then shaped like wood panels. I can't really tell, but I just saw this. I thought, wow, you don't see this too often. And then they have the little white fence out front as well. It's 3 in the morning and I need some water. So I'm gonna try this out. Trying to line it up with that thing. All right, so this is a 5-liter bottle. So we'll do the 4 liters. Let's see if this actually works. It's only 4 pesos. Feels like I'm stealing it. Oh shit! I just dropped one. Hold on, guys. All right, so there's 4. All right. I'm just gonna take this, close this. We're good to go. 4 pesos. Ow. It almost feels like it's hot water. So anyways, I really got this because I want to drink a lot of water before I go to sleep so that I have to wake up multiple times in the night. Good night, guys.